Discussing morning and night habits. Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video on your favorite channel, English with Altaf. Today we are going to talk about morning and night habits. We will share some useful English sentences and vocabulary you can use to describe your daily routine. Let's begin with morning habits.
Hello, dear viewers. I'm excited to be here with you. Yes, we'll talk about how to explain your habits clearly in English. You'll learn how to talk about what you do after waking up and before going to bed. So let's get started with our morning routines.
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. As soon as I get up, I make my bed. Then I go to the washroom to freshen up. After brushing my teeth and washing my face, I do a few stretches. Sometimes I do yoga for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I take a shower. I wear fresh clothes and prepare breakfast. I prefer to eat something light in the morning, like toast and eggs. Then I make a cup of tea and sit quietly for a few minutes. I use this time to plan my day.
That sounds like a healthy start to the day, Ikra. As for me, I wake up around 7 o'clock. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. It helps me feel fresh and awake. Then I check my phone for any urgent messages or emails. After that, I go to the washroom and brush my teeth. I usually wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up quickly. I don't do yoga, but I take a short walk on the terrace for some fresh air. Then I take a shower and get dressed for the day. For breakfast, I often have paratha with yogurt or sometimes a banana shake. Before leaving the house or starting work, I make a to-do list.
Making a to-do list is a great idea. Now let's move to night habits. I usually finish all my work before 8 p.m. Then I spend some time with my family. Sometimes we watch TV together or just sit and talk. After that, I check my phone one last time and reply to any important messages. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. I change into my night suit and read a book for 10 to 15 minutes. Reading helps me relax and sleep better. I try to go to bed by 10:30 every night.
That's a relaxing way to end the day. My night routine is a little different. I usually have dinner by 9 p.m. After dinner, I clean my workspace and put away anything that's out of place. Then I check my schedule for the next day. Sometimes I watch a short video or listen to a podcast. Before going to bed, I write down 3 things I was thankful for during the day. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. I drink a little warm water before sleeping. I try not to use my phone too much before bed. Finally, I turn off the lights and go to sleep around 11:30.
Altaf, your idea of writing what you're thankful for is lovely. It's good for mental peace. Let's now share some useful vocabulary and phrases related to morning and night habits.
Sure, some common morning routine words are wake up, get up, brush teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, get dressed, and leave the house.
And for night habits, we can say, have dinner, wash face, brush teeth, change clothes, read a book, go to bed, or fall asleep.
We can also use time-related phrases like in the morning, after waking up, before going to bed, around 9 p.m., every night, usually, and sometimes.
Let's now practice a short sample conversation. I'll ask, what do you do in the morning, Altaf?
And I'll reply, in the morning I wake up at 7 o'clock, drink water, take a shower, and eat breakfast. Then I'll ask you, what do you do at night, Ikra?
I'll say, at night, I wash my face, brush my teeth, read a book, and go to bed by 10:30. See? It's simple and easy to talk about your habits.
Yes, it's all about using simple and clear sentences. Let's now share some tips with our viewers.
Tip 1. Use the present simple tense to describe your habits. For example, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to bed.
Tip 2. Add time words like usually, always, sometimes, or never to sound more natural. For example, I usually take a shower in the morning.
Tip 3. Practice speaking your routine aloud every day. It will improve your fluency and confidence.
Tip 4. Try to write your full routine in English and read it every day. This will help you remember the vocabulary.
All right, viewers, now let's quickly review what we have learned today. We talked about how to describe morning and night habits. We gave you examples and useful vocabulary.
Yes, we also shared some helpful phrases and grammar tips. And we gave you a small conversation to practice with a friend.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us about your morning and night habits in English. We will check and help you improve.
Thanks for watching this video on English with Altaf. Keep practicing and stay confident.
We'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone, and happy learning.